Hello friends, today we are going to see reactions of amine. Amine shows different types of reaction. Out of this, first we are going to see carbyl amine reaction. In this carbyl amine reaction, here amines are heated with chloroform and alcoholic KOH solution. In this reaction, primary amines are get converted into isocyanates. Means here, suppose if we use here primary amine as C2H5 NH2 and it is reacted with chloroform and alcoholic KOH, means here CHCl3 three times of means 3 chloride atoms are present, therefore here we can use thrice KOH solution. Then here this thrice K is reacted with Cl and here removal of thrice KCl is takes place. Okay, and here total amounts of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, means here 3 hydrogen, here is 4, and here 6 hydrogen atom, and here 3 oxygen atom, means here thrice water molecule is removed. This nitrogen containing 2 hydrogen atoms, means this nitrogen forms 2 bonds with this carbon, means C2H5, here N double bond C and this C, means this and this lone pair of electron is also combined to this carbon and it forms 3 double bonds with nitrogen, and it gives ethyl isocyanide. Ethyl isocyanide. Another example is, suppose if we consider here aniline, and when this aniline is reacted with chloroform with alcoholic KOH, similar way this C6H5N is reacted with this chloroform and here formation of C6H5N triple bond C, means this is phenyl isocyanide, and here same way thrice KCl plus thrice water molecules are removed. Then next reaction is Schotten, SCHOTTEN, Schotten Baumann reaction. Schotten Baumann reaction. See, in this reaction, amino groups of the amines are acylated when they are treated with aromatic acid chlorides or sulfonyl chlorides in the presence of KOH solution, and such type of reaction is known as Schotten-Baumann reaction. But this reaction is not useful for the using of aliphatic acid chlorides, means this Schotten-Baumann reaction is carried out by only using aromatic acid chlorides, means here suppose if we use C6H5, that means aniline, when reacted with C6H5COCl, means aromatic acid chloride, it is reacted with KOH solution. Here one of the hydrogen from this NH2 group and the Cl reacted to remove HCl, and here formation of C6H5NH, this COC6H5, and this is known as benzanylide. Okay, then another example is, suppose here aromatic amine is nothing but aniline is reacted with C6H5SO2Cl, sulfonyl chloride, and same way these reactants are reacted in presence of KOH solution and it gives C6H5, here NH, one of the hydrogen is reacted with the Cl and HCl is removed, and formation of here SO2C6H5. This is known as N-phenyl sulfonamide. This reaction is only useful for the aromatic amine or aromatic acid chloride. Okay, only it is, this reaction is carried by using only acid chlorides, not by using aliphatic acid chlorides. Okay, then third reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Here the presence of amino group is an activating effect on the nucleus. Suppose if we consider here, this is an aniline, and this presence of this amino group is activating effect on this nucleus. Means when the delocalization of lone pair of electrons takes place over this nucleus, then here formation of negative charge takes place on the ortho position. Means here negative charge is formed, and this bond is remaining as it is, and this bond is remaining as it is, and this nitrogen containing positive charge, because one extra valence is there. Okay, and when again this lone pair of electron or negative charge is delocalized, then here formation of negative charge or shifting of electron takes place on the para position. Means here double bond NH2 and here negative charge, and again when it is delocalized, then again electron is shifted on ortho position. Means here double bond NH2 and here positive charge and negative charge, and again when it is delocalized, then here positive charge is removed. Means here formation of original aniline compound takes place. Means here negative charge is found at ortho position, para position and ortho position. Means on ortho and para position there is high electron density, therefore this aniline or amine shows electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. Then first we are going to see nitration of aniline. Okay. When nitric acid is used for the nitration, then generally this nitric acid is act as an oxidizing reagent, and when it is reacted with amines, then we can obtain here a large number of oxidation product. Okay, so to arrest oxidation, first we are going to convert this aniline into acylated product. Okay, means first this aniline is reacted with acylating reagent, that is aliphatic acid anhydride. After then its nitration is carried out. Means here when aniline is, suppose when this aniline is reacted with CH3CO twice, CH3CO twice O, means this is an acid anhydride. Okay, and when it is reacted with this acid anhydride, then here for this NH2 group or amino group is protected. Means here one of the hydrogen is removed, and here formation of NHCO CH3 takes place. Okay, means here H is written in this side, means NHCO CH3, and after acylating this acetanilide, means we can obtain, after acylation of aniline we can obtain here acetanilide. Okay, acetanilide, and this acetanilide undergoes nitration, means HNO3 H2SO4, and here we can obtain here NHCOCH3, and here nitration is occur at the ortho position or para position. Okay, means why it is occur at ortho or para position? Because NO2 is an electrophilic substitution reaction. Therefore, addition of NO2 takes place either ortho position or para position. And when this intermediate undergoes hydrolysis, then we can obtain here NH2 NO2, means orthonitro-aniline. Okay, means when acid anhydride is used, then we can obtain here ortho product. Okay, ortho product. And when we are going to use here acetic anhydride in place of acid anhydride, aliphatic acid anhydride, then we can obtain here para product. Means when this aniline is reacted with CH3COOH, means acetic acid, then first it undergoes acylation, means here NHCOCH3, and after then nitration is carried out, H2SO4. Then here we can obtain here NHCOCH3 and here NO2 group. Means here in presence of acetic acid, here nitration is occur at para position, and in presence of acid anhydride, we can nitration is occur at ortho position. Okay, and after then it undergoes hydrolysis, and we can obtain here para nitro aniline. This is the nitration reaction. Then next reaction is bromination. When aniline undergoes bromination in presence of Br2, then we can obtain here 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, means here aniline and here Br, here Br and here Br, means 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. But if this NH2 group is protected, then we can obtain only one product, that is monosubstituted product, that is parabromoaniline. Means when this aniline is protected by using acid chloride CH3COCl, and again bromination and hydrolysis carried out, then we can obtain here NH2 Br, means parabromoaniline is obtained. Then last reaction is sulfonation. Here when aniline undergoes sulfonation, then first we can obtain here phenyl sulfamic acid. Means when suppose this is an aniline, and when it is reacted with sulfuric acid, then we can obtain here NHSO3H. And when it is heated at 60 degrees Celsius, then we can obtain here ortho product. See here, when this intermediate heated at low temperature, then we can obtain here ortho product, that is called as orthoanilic acid. And when it is heated at high temperature, means at 180 degrees Celsius, then we can obtain here para product, means here NH2 and here SO3H, and its name is sulfanic acid. Means at low temperature ortho product is obtained, and at high temperature para product is obtained.